Okay, the next part of today's lesson, ladies and gentlemen, you should have finished the worksheet in front already, in the front side already. So again, you will need a periodic table, and make sure you have one. If you need more, come get some. I got plenty. All right. So the back of this, more practice on protons, neutrons, and electrons, as well as the symbols. And then here, the difference is now they're going to put in neutrons and the mass number. Okay. So mass number, we're not talking about isotopes right now. We're just talking about practicing calculating these numbers. So whenever they don't give you a specific mass, for example, like 35 here, okay, on the mass on the periodic table, just round this number to the nearest whole number. Okay, just round atomic mass to the nearest whole number. That is your most abundant. That's the most common isotope, anyways. So that's a good way to go by, and especially for this worksheet. Okay, so iodine. Oh, they did the example for us here. Atomic number is 53, which is the number on top here. Just review. Mass number is 126.9. See, they rounded that to 127. Proton is the same atomic number, proton, and electrons. Not in this case, because look, it's got -1. So we learned from the last page, -1s means what? Negative means it gained electrons. Okay, so -1s mean it gained electrons. So in this case, only atomic number and protons are equal, not equal to electrons. It has to depend on whether or not it's positive or negative or no charge. Okay, so if you look at here, this element, it has mass and protons. The second row, it has proton. Remember, you have two pieces of information that will tell you what the element is. Proton or atomic number, same thing. It tells you what the element is. So number 17 is chlorine, Cl. So you write C, you actually have to write the word here. Atomic number is 17, the same as proton. Look, you see that it gained one electron as well, -1. So it gained one. So you need to add one more electron than proton. Originally it has 17, but it gained one, 58. 17 will gain to 18. Right, it gained one electron. Number of neutrons, same thing, mass minus proton will give you neutron, that'll give you 18. Okay, pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And okay, I'll do one more. Thanks for asking. Let's do one more. Number 35. Okay. Yeah. No, let's do one that's positive. Let's do one that's positive. The boron one here, B3+. Okay, so B3+, atomic number is 5, so protons 5. That cannot change. Atomic number always equals to protons. So we know that element is boron. So neutron, mass minus proton will give you neutron. So mass minus proton will give you neutrons. So that's 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. Electrons. So it's +3 here. How did it become positive? Remember, negative, gained electrons. Positive means it lost electrons. Right? It's kind of reverse. You lose more negative in your life, you become more positive. You gain more negative in your life, you become more negative. Ooh, that's not good. So lose some negatives in our life, lose some electrons, we become positive. So boron lost 3. Originally it has 5, it lost 3, so now you only end up with 2. Okay? So the proton, the balance between the proton and electrons will tell you the charge. Right? Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. The same thing down here, so we're just doing more of the same thing. Okay, let's pick a bigger number. Let's look at, let's see, this one, 56, doesn't matter. So the protons is the atomic number, 26. So we look at the periodic table, element 26 is iron, Fe. So Fe is the symbol, iron is that, Fe, here 26 to 24, it lost 2 electrons, so it lost 2, so then it's going to be 2+. Remember, lost electrons, positive. Neutrons, neutron is mass minus proton, so that's 30 neutrons. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy, pretty straightforward again. Alright, this is going to be a really short video then. Match each of the positive ion listed to the number of electrons that contain ion contain. Use the periodic table. The same number may be used more than once. Okay, so don't cross it as you go through. So aluminum, right? So aluminum has what? So this one you kind of jot some notes while you do this. So aluminum has, right here first, aluminum has 13, right? Originally has 13 electrons, so you write 13. It positive 3, so it lost 3. So now you only have 10. Which one's 10? So it'll be B, right? So you write B right there. Or just write the number. I think it might be better just to write the number. Makes more sense. The letters are weird. Well, they're all positive. That's cool. They're all positive. So they all what? They all lost electrons. That's not a good worksheet if it's all positive. Should put some negatives in there, but kind of get the point. Iron, Fe. It lost 3, so how many electrons does it have left? 23. PT, plutonium, I think. PT. Where the heck is PT? Where the heck is PT? PT. Right there, number 78. Yeah, platinum. No, not plutonium, platinum. 78. Yeah, 78. It lost 2, so now we have 76. See? Pretty straightforward. Thank you. Come again. Good luck. Have fun. Ask questions. Come to tutoring. Rewatch the video as needed. Remember, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.